I remember a story of my friend who has interest in learning stock market. He has discussed his desire with so many people who are inexperienced in stock market and very good at giving advice to others. One of his friend told, "Dude, see, stock market is not easy to learn and you can't be good in it unless someone from your family is in that area." Other friend told, "Brother, you need to join professional institute to learn it, but I will suggest you, even if you complete the course, you will end up in loss as it is basically a betting game." This is what exactly happened with all of us when it comes to learn something new which we are not aware of. But in No Voice to Expert book by S.J. Scott, he figure out the step-by-step approach which you can take to learn and master any skill which you want. Concept 1. Identify which type of skill and where you stand. According to author, there are the two types of skill. First, repetition-based skill. These are the skills which need only practice to master it. For example, learning guitar, learning typing and learning Photoshop. Second, knowledge-based skill. These skills use practice and hands-on experience to master it. For example, learning business, learning stock market. Once skill type is identified, identify at what stage you are at. First, unconscious incompetence. Here are the people who decided to learn something which they don't know anything about. Second, conscious incompetence. This stage is the most depressing stage where people here knows that how bad they are at that skill and they need to improve at it. This is the stage where most of the people quit. But believe me, if thought of quitting coming to your mind, then you are at the proper way of learning. Most of the progress starts from this step only. Third, conscious competence. I have learned the stock market, but still today if someone approach me and say, "Brother, can you teach me stock market?" In this case, I still need to revise my learning one more time to educate the next guy. People here are aware that they are better than others at that skill, but they totally rely on practice. Unconscious competence. This is the topmost stage of learning where people here are master at skill and can teach and educate anyone without any prior practice. Concept 2. Convert your skill into actionable steps. You would have experienced that since 1 year you are stating your desire of learning, suppose stock market, but still couldn't have done any significant progress because you didn't converted your learning desire into actionable step. So if I want to convert the stock market desire into actionable stuff, then I should write down below action step. Read basic books on stock market like The Complete Idiot Guide to Stock Investing, Stock Investing for Dummies. This series of books which we can consider for basic learning for any skill. Figure out the bank which provide a Demat account facility and compare the services for the best one. Open the Demat account. Start first investment with mere say 500 rupees. Concept 3. Create project around your skill. Project is nothing but the step-by-step action plan written on the paper with the firm deadline of completion. This will stop procrastination and put a pressure on you for completing the activities. Concept 4. Focus on accelerated learning. If I decided to learn stock market, I don't need to learn everything. Core concept here is basically 80-20 rule, which states that 80% of things we learn from the 20% of our effort. So, my 20% things are: understand the basic terms, how to read and understand the company's graph, understand financial ratios for determining profitability, understand buy and sell signal. By assuring the above things, I will be good enough to start my investment venture. Concept 5. Practical just-in-time learning. When I was thinking of opening a YouTube channel like this, I was started thinking about all the things that like how I am going to market my channel, how I will going to monetize this, how I will going to manage my time, etc, etc, etc. But believe me, this thinking won't help me, but indirectly it added a significant delay in starting this channel. So instead of focusing on all about things, I just focus on what will be my first video and what will be the content. So basically, essence is to identify the things which can be done right now. It's tempting to learn everything before you start, but by doing this, you are not giving yourself opportunity to go and try out the stuff that will provide the practical and hands-on experience.